morning students. Today we will discuss a problem on orthographic projections. So here main intention is we are converting three-dimensional object into the two-dimensional way. In two-dimensional way we have three views. So three-dimensional object is converted into the two-dimensional object. So in two-dimensional object we are finding front view, top view and side view of the given object. So this is the three-dimensional object. We are converting into two-dimensional way and we are drawing front view, top view and side view. So here in this problem, first of all we have to see where is the observer position. So where the observer is standing. The observer is standing here. So observer is standing here. So this is considered as my front view. This is considered as a front view and this is considered as a top view, the top side, and this is my side view. For example, if the arrow mark or the observer is not given in the problem, then consider the longest side as my front view. Longest side as the front view. So here, see here, this side, this length is having how much? 75. This length is having how much? 50. So this 75 length is considered as my front view. So first of all we have to draw the front view, next top view and side view. So this is my front view. What is the length here? The total length is 75. In the front view we are drawing length and height. So total length is mentioned how much? 75 and the total height is mentioned. This is 12 and remaining 25. So you can see 37. So total length is 75 and height is how much? 37. In the top view, we are going to draw width and the height. So width and length. So here we are going to see width and length. So what is the width is mentioned in this problem? The width is mentioned 50. And the length is already mentioned, that is 75. Now in the side view we are going to see the total height and width and height of the object. So width is already mentioned, that is, this is the side view. In the side view I am going to see the 50 length and the total height. The height is 75. Now we are going to draw this front view, top view and side view. Before going to drawing this, we have to know the perfect dimensions. If you know the total dimensions, then it is easy to construct the diagram. So draw the reference line. XY. Next, give some distance, maintain some distance and draw the length and height. So the observer is standing here. Now you are going to watch this box and this box, along with that this box. So I can't see this slant face and this box. Why? In the top side I can see this slant face, but I can't see in the front direction. So I am going to watch only this box and this box, along with that this. So we are going to construct this total length and height. Now the total length is how much? 75. So carrying with three boxes, here it is 25, up here is 25 and the remaining is also 25. Now what is the height of this small rectangle box? 12. So we are going to construct this small box. Let us see. I am drawing. So give some distance with respect to a reference axis, let us say 20 mm or 30 mm. Then draw a line box. So this is how much? 25. And what is the height? This height is how much? This height is mentioned here. This height is how much? 12. So we draw the 12 height and the length is how much? 25. From there onwards, here we have one more view. Here to here is how much? 25. Now from here to here it is how much? Here to here it is also 25. Next, from here to here it is how much? Again 25. So what is the height? The height is 12. The height is 12. Now create the box. Next, we completed this portion. From there onwards, this height is mentioned how much? 25. From the peak point, draw the 25 length. Draw the 25 length. And what is this distance? 20 distance. Now see here, I drawn this line how much? 20. But I don't know this length. I don't know this length. This length may be some x distance. But in order to measure this, from here onwards, the 20 is mentioned. So simply pick from here to here 20. So here to here it is 25. So it may be somewhere here. This is 20. From there, simply you are watching from the front side. I am going to see this line. I am not going to draw this total slant because I am watching from the front view. I can see only this slant face. So from here to here, simply join the line. So I completed the front view portion. In the front view portion, this is the boxes I am going to see. So this 25 line, and similarly here also. So this is 25, 25, 25. So total how much length? It is 75. And this height is how much? 12. What is this height? 25. See, I repeat again. So total length and height we are going to draw in the front view. So these are the three boxes I am going to watch along with that this box. So 25, 25 and 25 with the height of 12 and 25. Now from there onwards, next, by utilizing the front view, I am going to draw the top view. Now how to draw the top view? So to draw the top view, simply draw the projection lines. Draw the projection line, vertical projection lines downwards. So here onwards, draw the projection lines downwards. So how many vertical lines are there here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 projection lines are there. You draw the 4 projection lines downwards. So simply draw the 4 projection lines downwards very, very lightly. With respect to the reference line, give some distance and draw the projection lines. These are the projection lines. Very, very lightly. Okay, I draw the projection lines. In the front view, I calculated the length and height. In the top view, I am going to construct the width and length. So already the length is mentioned. This length is total length is how much? 75. In the top view also the length is calculated. This is how much? From here to here 75. Here to here it is 75. So now the 75 is obtained. Now what about the width? The width is how much here? The 50 is mentioned. So simply from here onwards, exactly at this point on the projection, draw this length. How much length we have to draw? This length is how much? 50 mm. This length should be a 50. This length should be 50. This length should be 50. Now you are watching from the top side. I am going to see the total box. I am going to see the total box. A total box surrounded by a total box having a 50 and a 75 length. So here to here it is 75. Simply I am joining the line. I drawn the line. Next, now I completed this surrounding total border portion. Now from here to here it is how much length is given? 25 mm. So from here to exactly at what length? Exactly at 20 mm. At the 20 mm, this is the 20 mm distance. Draw the projection line very lightly. 20 mm. From here onwards, simply draw a one rectangle box. What length? This is also 50. I am drawing finishing this 25 length, this 25 and this up to this. So what is this box? This box length, the height is 25. So the width, whatever the width is there, this width. Out of 50, the 25 is completed. And the remaining portion is what? Here we have one more, in the front view I can see this distance also. This distance is how much? 12. So simply draw a 25 mm. From here to here it is 25 mm. Again here to here it is 25 mm. This distance is 25. This distance is 25. From there, draw the height. The length is how much? 12 is mentioned. Draw the 12 and draw the 12 and join it. So this total width, never and ever mention this width as like this. Why? Because already this is the length is there. Simply we transfer the length here. Don't mention the length like this. Okay? Always the width should be in this way manner only. The length should be like this. This is 75, this is 75. We completed the top view. Next, see here a small box is there. From here to here it is how much? 20. And here to here 20 distance. We are going to draw one more line. This is a box. Next, we completed the top view. By using the top view, I am going to draw the side view. Now, to draw the side view, I am erasing this. It's very small. Now see, to draw the side view, we can draw. We have to draw the right in the right plane. The right plane means it is a left side view. In the left side, we are watching from this in this direction. So whatever the view is there, the view will fall on the right plane. So here simply draw a reference line. One more reference line. Create one more reference line. X1 and Y1. This is my origin point. Now from there onwards, simply draw the projection lines. Simply draw the projection lines to which will meet the new reference line. So from here onwards, draw the dotted lines. What are the horizontal lines are there? This is the horizontal line, first horizontal line, second horizontal line, third and fourth. So these are the four horizontal lines are there. This is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many horizontal lines are there in the top view? We have 4 horizontal lines are there in the top view. Simply draw the projection line, extend those lines, and from O as a center, take O1 distance and project here to the new reference line, somewhere here. The O1 is center, cut an arc. Similarly, O2 center, cut an arc. O3 center, cut an arc. O4 center, cut an arc. So these are the arcs we have to see. Simply in the side view, we are going to construct the width and height. So exactly whatever the distance is there from respect to with reference to reference line, we have constructed. We are maintained some distance. In the same way, we have to maintain the distance. So this is the distance. What is this distance? This total distance is 50. The same 50, whatever the 50 is there, by using arc method, we are transferred here, and at the height of here, we are transferring this distance. So from here to here, exactly this point and this point, here to here, I transfer the distance. So what is this? In the side view, I am going to construct the width and the height. Now I am watching from this side, I can see this box. What is this box? 50 into height is how much? 12. So this is already 50. This is already 50. Whatever the 50 is there, the 50 is transposed here, and whatever the height is there, this height is 12. Simply from here onwards, the height is 12, and draw the box. Next, now I am watching from this side. I can see this slant face, and the slant face is height is how much? 25. So simply from here onwards, already the height is mentioned in this also, here also in the top view, so in the front view, that 25. And what is this length? This length is how much? This length is how much? 25. From here to here, measure 25 distance and create the box and join the line. So this is the side view we are going to watch in the diagram. Now see one more thing. You are watching from you whenever you are watching the side view, this box is completed, but here some hollow space is there. In a hollow space, at the distance of 12, you are going to give some line. From here to here, measure the 12 distance and show a dotted line. So this is a procedure for construction of a orthographic projection. So here we have converted a three-dimensional object into the two-dimensional object. So here this is a front view, a top view and a side view. So whatever the distances are there, maintain the same distance while constructing the problem. Don't keep whatever the side view here or here. At the equivalent distance we have to draw. Okay, whenever you club all these front view, side view and top view, again you will get this diagram. So maintain the same distance with respect to the reference line. For example, we have taken 20 mm here to here, you have to take the 20 mm only, the height. So we constructed the two-dimensional object, and I hope you understand. Thank you.